Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and you haven't been gone that long because you just watched the last video that's out. But someone in the comments just mentioned it and I verified. I saw the advertisement on Instagram, so this will be a quick and short video. They are doing the flash sales this month, the month of August, every Wednesday in August. Here's a sneak peek at the first deal. Day one flash sale, Wednesday, August 6th. It's the Icon 800 lumen LED rechargeable light, magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light, in stores only while supplies last. Valid 8/6 only. 20 bucks, normally 40 bucks, so 50% off. Excellent get. And it most of the time has been 40 bucks. It looks like it's been out for the last couple years. We're kind of back and forth between 40 and then sales at 30 bucks. Has gone down as low as 25 bucks for different coupons. And then back in April, it was down to 23 bucks, which is a great deal. But it's down to $19.99. And of course, it's available in red, black, blue, or green. Magnetic, high power 800 lumen, folds compactly for easy storage. And I know a lot of you have this. So for those of you who do have it, how do you like it? Put it in the comments to see if this is, and I'm pretty sure, I think I've seen some feedback on this and it's mostly positive, but especially at this price of 20 bucks. I mean, it should still only be positive, right? $20, 50% off. Are you getting this Wednesday? Sorry, Harbros, our wallets are getting beat up this month. They got beat up last month. They're getting beat up this month as well. Good luck out there. Happy shopping. Stay tuned for the rest of the flash deals. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.